Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the OSPAP. Basically, what is the OSPAP cover in this video. So let's start. OSPAP basically stand for Overseas Pharmacist Assessment Program. In a simple word. So this program is mandatory to all pharmacists who gain their degree outside the UK, and if you want to practice as a pharmacist inside the UK, you have to clear OSPAP. This course basically exists in two versions. One is PgDip, which is the postgraduate diploma, and MSc, which is the Master of Science. GPHC require only OSPAP postgraduate diploma to be eligible to do foundation training year, but basically MSc and postgraduate diploma there is a difference. There to do MSc you have to cover 3 extra months for this course. Basically MSc is for international students. MSc was important to international pharmacists to pursue foundation training year, as according to previous visa regulation. You must have a degree, bachelor or the master to be able to switch your visa and to continue your training. But the good news is that now international students, whether taking MSc or postgraduate diploma, can stay after OSPAP to complete their training on one of those visas like graduate route. It is granted visa for anyone study in the UK. It allows students to stay for 2 years after completion of their studies without sponsorship. So the journey of overseas registration consists of 3 parts. If you want to qualify as a pharmacist in a UK, you have to cover these steps. Number 1 is OSPAP course. 1 is postgraduate diploma, that is 9 months, and the second one is MSc, which is 13 months. And second one is foundation year. Foundation year basically is a training year and it takes 52 weeks for its completion. And the third one is GPHC pre-registration assessment, that is basically a test which is conducted by the GPHC. So the next is, where can I study OSPAP? Means there are different options are available. So this is the question that the mostly student ask, where I can study. Basically, there are 4 universities in the UK that provide this course with different fee structure. Now, I will tell you the fee structure according to 2025 and 2026. Number 1 is Aston University. Aston University is basically located in Birmingham and it provides MSc with postgraduate diploma with a different fee structure. You can check the more detail from the website. Second one is the University of Sunderland, which is also providing MSc plus postgraduate diploma with a different fee structure. And the third one is Brighton University. Brighton University is providing MSc and postgraduate diploma, but the charges are same. The fourth one is Hertfordshire University and it provides the postgraduate diploma only for the UK resident students and the international students. There is a most commonly asked question by the students, that is there any scholarship or the funding that these university can provide us for the OSPAP? So the answer is no. They can't provide any scholarship or funding for the OSPAP. What is the eligibility? Like if you want to apply as a pharmacist, overseas pharmacist for the OSPAP, so what are the criteria? What is the eligibility to join this course? You must fulfill the GPHC requirements to get the GPHC approval letter to be admitted to OSPAP. So it's the first requirement. There are different documents that can be used by the GPHC, and we will discuss them one by one. So first is ENIC or ANIC. Is basically a statement of comparability. It is an independent body to evaluate international qualification. Applicants should submit their original pharmacy degree certificate and transcript, and they need to pay 49.50 quid to receive their letter. For more detail, check the link in the comment section. Number 2 is English language test. English language test is basically divided into two parts. You can attempt it's up to the student choice that you can attempt the IELTS test or the OET test. But for the IELTS test, you have to score the band of 7 in each section, or for the OET pharmacy, you have to get grade B in each section. And the choice, basically it's the individual choice what type of English language test you will choose. Third one is two reference letter, one academic and the other is professional from one recent employer. Fourth is the original certificate like your degree, and the fifth one is academic transcript. Sixth is photocopy of the passport that should be signed and stamped by the lawyer in presence of you. 7 is a certificate of birth. And the 8th one is 2 photos that should be signed and stamped by the lawyer in your presence. 9 is a letter of good standing certificate from your home country, whether you are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, you have to provide this letter. And 10 is another letter of good standing in case you are working as a pharmacist in your home country. 11 is the GPHC application that should be signed or stamped by the lawyer in presence of you. And to download this application, you can check the link in the comment section. All these documents should be sent to GPHC address in one envelope, with the fee that you need to pay is 739 quid. And what will happen after 28 days? GPHC will send its decision that you are eligible or not. So it's all about the OSPAP. There are many points that I didn't cover in detail, but I will cover it in my next videos. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.